He unveiled the secrets of matter, but his uncertainty was not in the equations. It was in what to do in the face of totalitarianism. In 1933, with Nazism rising in Germany, a young German physicist received the highest honor in science. Werner Heisenberg, only 31 years old, was awarded the Nobel Prize in physics. Heisenberg was a prodigy, student of Sommerfeld, collaborator of Bohr, a central figure in the quantum revolution. In 1925, he introduced matrix mechanics, a new physics where trajectories were no longer certainties, but mathematical abstractions. It's not surprising that the world is uncertain. Surprising is that we believed it wasn't. With the rise of Nazism, German science plunged into darkness. Heisenberg, though not a party member, was placed in charge of an ambiguous project, the Reich's nuclear program. During the Nazi regime, many Jewish scientists were expelled from German universities after the enactment of the Nuremberg laws in 1935. Heisenberg, who was not Jewish, remained in Germany. He was publicly accused by the SS of teaching what they called Jewish physics. The official magazine of the regime's elite troops, Das Schwarze Korps, labeled him a white Jew. Heisenberg replied, "Einstein's equations have no ethnicity." Between 1939 and 1945, Heisenberg led the Uranverein, the Reich's nuclear project. The official goal of the project, generate energy from uranium fission. The unofficial one remains in doubt to this day. In 1941, he met again with his former mentor, Niels Bohr, in Copenhagen. What they discussed remains a mystery, a warning, a confession, or simply a desire to be heard. While the Americans advanced with the Manhattan Project, the Germans failed to reach critical mass. Heisenberg estimated that 2 tons of uranium-235 would be needed to trigger a chain reaction capable of producing a bomb. But in the laboratories of Los Alamos, scientists had already demonstrated that about 50 kilograms would be enough. The mistake, perhaps technical, perhaps deliberate, sealed the fate of the Reich's nuclear program, and the bomb never left the paper. In April 1945, just before the end of the war, Werner Heisenberg was captured by British troops in southern Germany. The action was part of Operation Alsos, a secret Allied mission created to locate German scientists and prevent the Reich's nuclear knowledge from falling into other hands. Heisenberg, along with other physicists from the Nazi nuclear project, was taken to the United Kingdom and held under surveillance in a mansion called Farm Hall. There, in total isolation, the scientists were secretly recorded for months. In August 1945, that they heard on BBC radio the announcement of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Heisenberg, in disbelief, claimed the calculations for such a bomb were still unfeasible. Uncertainty followed him to the end. Scientist and patriot, accomplice and a pacifist. Perhaps, like his theory, we can only understand him by approximation. After the war, he returned to theoretical physics and helped rebuild German science. He presided over the Max Planck Society, But the past never left his desk. The conceptual revolution proposed by Heisenberg gave birth to modern quantum mechanics. Heisenberg died in 1976. He left humanity with a new way to see the universe. It was for this contribution that, in 1932, Heisenberg received the Nobel Prize in Physics. You have watched Laureates, the story of the Nobel Prize winners.